No fuss, just 5-minute mango magic. So let's get started. Our here ingredient, mangoes. Instead of using a mango puree, we can use fresh chopped mangoes. I love mangoes, they're so good and tasty. But the problem is they don't come every season, they only come in summers. I really want mangoes every season. They're so delicious. That's why you have to try this recipe, or else you're missing out on the best treasure in the world. Next, we have condensed milk. Milky milk. So satisfying. We do not mind why we're using a mango spoon. Do not ask me why. You definitely have to try this. But one, they're so dangerous to this. It causes extreme happiness and delicious. So keep this recipe a secret, because your parents are probably gonna ask this forever. Shh, it's my secret and your secret. It's the best recipe. That's why it only came from Mango Land. Ooh. I am gonna be a master chef some one days, because I make the best kulfis. Trust me. For the flavor, I'm gonna use soaked saffrons. But if you don't like saffrons or cardamom, it's okay. You don't have to use it. It also gives nice color. Now for our flavored cardamom powder. Now all we have to do is blend this. Let's go. Stop. It took a lot of effort, so acknowledge my effort. Let's go. Hey buddy, butter. Let's hit the button. Let's blend. This never gets fixed. This part I have to call Mumma. I don't like to call Mumma because I want to be a master chef one day, but it never fixes. So, Mumma, quick please.
Oh, ice cream.
It's good to ice cream accordingly. We fixed it in 1 minute. I fixed it, Aggie. Mama disappear now. It's my chance to shine. It's my chance! It's my chance! Get out! It's actually me that did that, so let's say Mama disappear now. Bye bye. We just have to wait and do this for a while. The blending is ready. Open up. Sorry, this is help. Boy. Thank you, Mama. Then disappear right after this. You're stealing my part. Okay. Wow, amazing. I did it. Bye bye. Now I made this beautiful thing.
She's stealing my recipe.
Get out. Pistachio time. This reminds me of the fire of the white chocolate. So now let's get started filling them into cooking molds. Kulfi is the best. Oh yeah, I remembered. We made Malai Kulfi too, but my brother made that one. It was super delicious. It's done. Behind the scene, my brother always eats whatever I make, but I still have enough for my kulfis. Now we just put the lid on. I love cooking. It makes me feel happy. That's why my mom likes it too. And now popsicle sticks. Behind the cameras, my brother is always eating whatever I make.
No, I'm just tasting this.
Why? You don't have to taste or anything.
To taste if it's...
It's already sweet. Let's put popsicle sticks in. Perfect. Now it's time to freeze it. Let's go. Ooh, it's so happy. My mango kulfi is ready and I'm so excited to try it. ready to demold. To demold it, I'm just gonna first take off the cap. Now it's set! Now I'm just gonna demold it by doing this, or you can dunk it in warm water. Like that. Our mango kulfi is ready, look! Now our kulfi is ready to be eaten.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.